Alright guys, 2015 Lexus RCF, I'm going to show you guys how to get into the diagnostic menu for the head unit. Now, this procedure will work more or less the same for a variety of cars from the same era, so it's not exclusive to the RCF or the RC line in general. Alright, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is put the car into accessories, so let's key on, hit the button twice. All the lights are on. Then you're going to want to wait for the nav screen menu to boot. Of course, you want the menu to go straight into the navigation screen after the continue button shows up. So once that's done, we're going to take note that that we're going to be using the menu button as well as the headlamp chalk. First of all, you want to have this on off, and then when we actually start the procedure to go into the diagnostic menu, you're going to want to hold the menu button down and then flash the headlamps about 4 times. So in the next clip, I'll demonstrate how that works out. Alright, so let's hold down the menu button and let's move our other hand to the steering wheel chalk, or the headlamp chalk, and we're going to flash it on and off about 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go. You get the service menu for the head unit.